Hello all, welcome to the channel. Today we'll learn about the input function. So as the name suggests, input. So input is like the Python will take some value from you and it will act accordingly. Okay, now every time I'm giving the name as Upahar, a variable, and then I'm giving a value. Okay, now Python wants instead of Upahar, you give me the value. Whatever value you'll give me, I'll take that value and I'll print it. Okay, let's see with some example how does this work. Let me open my VS Code. I hope VS Code is visible to you guys. Yeah, okay. Now, the basic input example. In the first code, you can see that I have taken this variable name. Okay, I have written something called as input. And inside input, the same way how we are writing print, no, we have taken this two brackets. Okay, in this bracket, we have inverted the commas. And in this inverted commas, we have written what is your name. Okay, now print hello and name. So what happens here in the second line? So it's printing hello and the variable name as name, and the variable name value will be taken from the input. Okay. When I'll run it, if I start running it, I'll run it, shift enter. See, it's giving you what is your name. So instead of Upahar, I'll write some Bhadra. Okay. I'll put enter. You can see hello Bhadra. So what happens here? The Python is taking the user values, using that value and printing it in the console. Okay, this is the work of your input function. Second, taking name and age. Now, earlier we have seen that only one input has been taken. Now I want to take two variables. One is name, one is age. Okay, I've written the same way. Input, enter your name, enter your age. The same how you write it print, the same statement it should be written. And instead of print, it should give input. If input is written, it will definitely ask you what value it should take. Okay, now in the third and fourth sentence, you can say print my name is this variable name taking from the value here. Print my name is age. This age variable is taking this value from here. Okay, let's see. Let's run it. Okay, so you can see it's asking the name. I'll say my age will be 50. Okay, so my name is Ronaldo and the age is 50. I hope this is clear. Okay, important points. Input always return string. Okay, so what does this mean? So earlier you have seen that age I have given as 50. Okay, now it's saying that input always return strings. When I say strings, it means text. The data type of the value will always be text. Irrespective of what data types you have given, it will always consider as a text. For example, my age. My age is 60 years. The 60 years, if we speak, no, it is an integer. Okay, the age, the number, it is a number, right? Integer in Python terms. But if you take the 60 from the input value, it will always consider this as a string. String means as a text. So 60 with an inverted comma. Okay, so what happens here? I'm taking the age. Okay, I'm giving an age. Then I'm printing it the type of page. What is the data type of the value? I'm checking it. Okay, so if I run it, it will ask me about the age. If I'll write 50, okay, see, you can see the data type of the variable is a string, str string. So this is where we have issue with it. Okay, I have taken a simple example where x is equal to 2. Okay, what x is equal to 2? So this is a, I'm printing 2. I'm checking the type of x. What is the type of x? You can say int. So integer is coming. So for age, it should be an integer, but though we are taking it from the input, no, it is showing always as a string. Okay, the type, sorry, the text. String is always considered as text. Now, the same thing only. What happens here? We have taken age. Now we want to print age plus 5. Now, though we are thinking that age is a number, I want to add two numbers. Okay, now let's see what happens. I'll give 6. Okay, if I'll put it like this now, it will say concatenated string, not int. So what does it mean? It's saying that the text and the integer can't be concatenated. It can't be added. That's why we are getting an error. Okay. Now, correct way, convert strings to integer. So how we can convert the string to an integer? So conversion is called as typecasting. Okay, always remember what is typecasting in Python. We want to convert some data type to the other data type. We call this as a typecasting. This is an important chapter. We'll learn it further, but for now, just understand what is typecasting. Okay. Now I have given a age. I'll take the age from the input. Okay. Now I have taken the same variable again, and here instead of this variable I have given int. Okay. So what I'm doing here, I'm taking the giving the input from the user. I'm changing the same variable into int. That is, I'm typecasting it. Then I'm printing this variable and adding a 5. So what happens here? This age, this variable will go to this variable. What will see? It will see that okay, this age has been coming from this age, but it already been converted into int. So int plus int, it should give a number. Let's see if it's been done. So I'll again say 6. I'll enter. You can say 6 plus 5 is 11. So we have already correctly typecasted it. Okay. Now the same example, I'm giving it again. Okay, age input, enter your age. At the type of this variable, no, we are giving input. So we'll see at that time what was the type of this age. Okay, then age will convert into integer. Okay, once we convert it into integer, we'll see what is the type of it. Okay, the variable. Again, we'll print the same thing, age plus 5. Okay, we'll see what is happening here. You can see it's getting run. Okay, sorry, it's asking to age, enter the age. Sorry, so I'll enter 6. Okay, now what happens? Sorry, I was thinking it will give an output. I haven't seen the above thing. Okay, so what happens? Input the age. At the time of age, when I've given the value, no, it is saying that it's a string. Okay, that is text. Here you can see what is the type of this value. It is saying that string. Now again, I have changed this age into int age. That is, I have typecasted into a integer. Okay. Now when I'm asking to print this type of this value, it is saying it's int. So integer. Now in print integer plus integer, we are getting a value. Though I have given is a 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. I hope this is clear for you. Okay. Now better short code, how we can write it. So here we have written what we are taking the input, we are converting it into like what typecasting it, then we are printing it. Okay, here what is happening, no, at the time of taking input only we are typecasting it. You can see it, right? Earlier we have used to write age is equal to this much input and this much. What we did here, no, we have already typecasted it. Whatever age you type, no, it will be always an int. So I have given a int at the start of it. What happens? Print after 5 years, your age will be age plus 5. Now this age is already converted to integer value. Okay. Now 5 plus 5 is equal to whatever the value it will be given plus 5 will give the answer. Okay. Let's see. I'll give my age. So here you can see I'll give my age as 34. Okay. If I'll enter it, it should give 39. So after 5 years, your age will be 39. I hope this is clear. Not that difficult to understand. Remember, print and input. Print gives you the in the console whatever you are giving it. Input takes something from you and print the same thing or act as a value. Okay, I hope this is clear. Thank you.